Well, this is perfect. Hi, everybody. This is Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy. And a few weeks ago, I put a little post up about you guys have any interest in a desk mat for your bench or for your desk, right? And take a look at that drawing up there. You know, I'm surrounded by history here. I believe I have one of the most complete, curated collections of tool and die and vintage memorabilia here about our industry that we all love right here. Well, this is a new edition. And this is a 16 by 32 inch desk pad. I ordered one for myself just to make sure you guys would be satisfied with the quality. So it's rubber backed, doesn't slide around, it's nice and thick, and it's got a little logo of me down here, the Tool and Die Guy, nothing too big, but it came out beautiful. So I started to think about this, nostalgia, right? I love history. I still live in the present. I run a CNC machine. I use AutoCAD. But nostalgia is that little bit of a pang we get for the past, right? The way things used to be. And I'm here as a reminder of that. I'm a big believer in where we came from. So this is a new addition to my collection. So I've got the blue one, and then I inverted it and just put it kind of back to the original with a white background with blue lines. And just for fun, I made up a remember this Kerner Tool and Die brochures? You've seen these before. These are these vintage catalog pictures from 1958 of my uncle's shop. And I turned this into a desk pad too. So there's 3 of them there. As I explained a few weeks ago, nothing's cheap anymore. But I really want to encourage you guys to take a look at this. And for the next few days, $5 off. So I'll send you the link here underneath. I'll give you the coupon code for $5 off. You're going to be really happy with these. It looks. My wife was even like, "Where'd you get that?" It's like, I made it. I'm the Tool and Die Guy. So I'm Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, with another addition to my collection of vintage things. Check out the tool crib. There's a lot of things in there. But right now, this is the one I'm going to promote. Like I said, $5 off for a couple days. Check it out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.